So today in my do-it-yourself project, this is close to the front door and you have the dog's leashes and the wall takes a beating. There's some nicks, scratches I want to take care of today. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Right by the front door, over by the light switch, there is some peeling paint. So the first thing I want to do is take my 4-inch drywall knife and I'm just going to peel back the loose paint. In my opinion, the paint is a very low quality, and that's why it peels off the wall quickly. So in today's application, normally I would use a joint compound, but I have this latex caulking that will work just as well and dries faster. So next up, I'm going to take my white latex caulk and just put a little bit on the wall, and that can be smoothed out. There's a couple other little holes here that also need to be fixed. So to smooth out the latex caulking on the wall, I have two knives. One is a 3-inch, one is a 4-inch. I'll use the 4-inch to wipe the excess off on the blade. I'm just going to lightly cover and feather the edges. Like that. Now continuing on for the other areas that I put the white latex caulking on, I'm just going to feather this hole the same way as I did the other hole. Wipe it off on my 4-inch knife. Make it smooth. And to the next hole, now with the latex caulk smoothed out, the wall is completed. Obviously it needs to be repainted, which I will do next. I want to thank you guys for tuning into my channel on this latest do-it-yourself project. There is one more hole, rather this is a screw pop, so we're going to fill that also with the latex caulking. So the first thing I want to do, I'm going to take my 3-inch taping knife and I'm just going to make sure that the screw head is below the surface of the sheetrock, which it is. Then on my 4-inch knife, I'm going to just take a little bit of latex caulk, wipe it over the screw, maybe a little bit more, and feather that out. That's a nice job.